Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-of-the-line robot vacuums, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roborock Q Revo. These vacuums are packed with features that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. So let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in this ultimate robot vacuum face-off. Let's start with the docking system. Both the S8 Pro Ultra and the Q Revo come with advanced docking systems, but there are some differences. The S8 Pro Ultra features an all-in-one docking system that automatically completes the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. It even has a large dust bag that can hold up to 7 weeks of dust. On the other hand, the Q Revo offers a multifunctional dock with auto mop washing and hot air drying after each cleanup. It also has a 5L water tank for a maximum mopping range of 4,305 SQFT. Both vacuums offer hands-free cleaning, but the S8 Pro Ultra's docking system has the edge with its self-cleaning and automatic water tank refill capabilities. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The S8 Pro Ultra comes equipped with double brushes, providing a cleaner effect in one go and fewer hair tangles. Its more powerful 6,000 pascal suction ensures efficient cleaning on hard floors and carpets. On the other hand, the Q Revo boasts dual spinning mops with a spinning speed of 200 RPM and consistent downward pressure, effortlessly removing stains from soda to dried-on spills. It also features 5,500 pascals extreme suction, which easily captures dust and dirt from various floor types. Both vacuums excel in different aspects, with the S8 Pro Ultra focusing on powerful suction and the Q Revo delivering exceptional mopping performance. Mopping is an essential feature for robot vacuums, and both the S8 Pro Ultra and the Q Revo offer impressive mopping capabilities. The S8 Pro Ultra features an upgraded Roborock 2.0 mopping system, providing a wider mopping zone, high-speed scrubbing and consistent mopping pressure. It can effectively clean deep stains and spills. Additionally, the S8 Pro Ultra's liftable brushes and mop separate vacuuming and mopping, maximizing cleaning effectiveness for different tasks. On the other hand, the Q Revo offers auto mop lifting, allowing it to clean both carpets and floors seamlessly. The mops are automatically lifted when vacuuming carpets to ensure a thorough clean. Both vacuums offer advanced mopping features, but the S8 Pro Ultra's Roborock 2.0 system gives it an edge in terms of versatility and effectiveness. Now let's talk about navigation and mapping. The S8 Pro Ultra utilizes reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, which allows it to identify and bypass unknown objects on the floor, even in bright and dark environments. It also utilizes lidar navigation and 3D mapping for more accurate and customized cleaning. On the other hand, the Q Revo features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which detects and avoids potential hazards precisely. Its PreciSense lidar navigation with 3D mapping technology creates precise maps that can be viewed in 3D. Both vacuums offer advanced navigation and mapping features, but the S8 Pro Ultra's reactive 3D obstacle avoidance gives it a slight advantage. Last but not least, let's discuss app and voice control. The S8 Pro Ultra comes with an advanced app that offers total control over the robot vacuum. You can adjust settings, schedule cleaning, and even receive smart suggestions for setting no-go zones. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, allowing you to control the vacuum with just your voice. Similarly, the Q Revo offers an app that provides total control over the vacuum, including mop washing and drying mode, auto-emptying mode, and more. It is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Siri shortcuts. Both vacuums offer convenient app and voice control, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roborock Q Revo both have positive reviews from users. The S8 Pro Ultra excels in its all-in-one docking system, powerful suction, versatile mopping capabilities, and advanced navigation. Reviewers have praised its reliability, app and mapping capabilities, and the quality of its docking system. On the other hand, the Q Revo impresses with its multifunctional dock, exceptional mopping performance, great suction, and precise obstacle avoidance. Reviewers have appreciated its vacuuming performance and scheduling features. Ultimately, the choice between these two vacuums depends on your specific needs and preferences. And that concludes our comparison between the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and the Roborock Q Revo. Both vacuums offer exceptional features and performance, but they excel in different areas. The S8 Pro Ultra shines with its all-in-one docking system, powerful suction, versatile mopping capabilities, and advanced navigation. On the other hand, the Q Revo impresses with its multifunctional dock, exceptional mopping performance, great suction, and precise obstacle avoidance. Ultimately, the choice between these two vacuums depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.